Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this September the 25th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Thursday out there so far. Everybody has a great Thursday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the tropics, and we're going to start off with the remnants of tropical storm, or remnants of Gabrielle. That will continue to push across the Azores and then head on over toward Europe. This is the remainder portions of Gabrielle, so we can say goodbye Gabrielle. Now we can say hello Humberto, and then hello Imelda should be soon forming, probably later tonight or either on your Friday. So but this is Humberto right here. You can see him getting a little bit better organized. This Invest 94L, which looks to become tropical storm Imelda, could even become a hurricane Imelda, could be category 1 hurricane as well, so we'll continue to monitor that. There's a big cluster of showers and thunderstorms in the MDR region. Then we got another tropical wave you need to monitor off the African coast as it continues to push offshore in the southeast of the Canary Islands. Cabo Verde Islands, excuse me. We got scattered activity over South America, got more activity in Central America, the Eastern Pacific, Mexico, up into the Gulf. Need to monitor this here because the waters are pretty warm. Anything could get going right here in the Gulf as well. Got another more activity stretching from Louisiana into South Carolina. Then more activity across the northeastern U.S. from Pennsylvania to Maine to New Brunswick and Newfoundland as well. Alrighty, now we're going to take a look at Humberto. We're going to take a look at the forecast cone from the National Hurricane Center. This was at 5 p.m. this afternoon. It was located near latitude 21.9 north, longitude 57.0 west. Maximum sustained winds right now 60 miles an hour with higher gusts. Moving to the northwest at 6 miles an hour. Classified as a tropical storm with winds of 39 to 73 miles an hour. By 2 p.m. Friday, should become a hurricane, major hurricane by 2 a.m. Sunday. Remain a major hurricane on Monday, and then kind of weaken back to a category 2 hurricane on Tuesday as it passes between Bermuda and the east coast of the U.S. and then it could go anywhere from there. It could go a little further towards the mid-Atlantic, could go out to sea, but we'll take a look at the forecast models here in just a few minutes and see which way they're forecasting it to go. But right now, this is the forecast cone from Humberto. Right now it has 60 miles an hour wind and moving to the northwest at 6 miles per hour. Alright, now here's the forecast computer model. Most of the models are taking it to the northeast. Current position of the storm, well compacted. There's a few that wants to take it toward the mid-Atlantic region, and then there's a good many of them wants to take it out to sea. So right now we're going to go with the one taking it back out to sea. So it's going to pass here in Bermuda. Here's the east coast of the U.S. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and call it and take a turn to the north and the east, just north of Bermuda, and then push on out into the north central tropical Atlantic. Alrighty, now let's take a look at the intensity guidance of Humberto. Alright, right now it has 50 knot winds. They go to 60 miles an hour. Tropical storm status, goes into a category 1, goes up to a category 3. Would not be surprised to see it go up to a low end category 4 hurricane, just like Gabrielle did just a few days ago. And then it kind of backs off and remains a powerful hurricane through category 2 and a category 1 hurricane as well, through 132 to 168 hours out. Okay, now let's see if we can get to the track of which looks to become Imelda. Alright, forecast spaghetti-o models here. Takes it just located right now just north of the Dominican Republic as it continues to push on off to the northwest. Here's the Bahama Islands, all the way up to here. You can see it go right over the islands. Makes one model wants to take it into southeast Georgia. The other model wants to take it into North Carolina. But you can see here most of the model takes it anywhere from around Savannah, just north of Charleston, and kind of moves it into the western portion of South Carolina. And then there's a few that wants to take it back out to sea. So and then you see that one wants to take it up here around Wilmington, North Carolina. So we will continue to monitor that, but right now I'm going to go with this here, mainly take a exit stage left turn into South Carolina, between anywhere from Savannah to Georgetown, South Carolina. May go in that area, could even go up to Myrtle Beach. I will continue to monitor this here as we get closer to the event. Alright, now intensity guidance. Right now, 25 knot winds equal to 30 miles an hour do become a tropical storm. That's why we do expect it to become a Milda. One hurricane model takes it all the way up to a category 1, even a low end category 2. So, and there's a couple more models taken into a category 1. That's why I'm expecting it could become a category 1. Maybe if it gets over the Gulf Stream, it could strengthen possibly to a category 2. So, something I will continue to monitor. Just want to give you a heads up, just in case if it do become a category 2, you can say, hey, Mike Bass said it was going to become a category 2, and it did. Right now, too early to call, so, but there's a possibility it could become a category 1. It do look more likely, it's likely it will become a tropical storm. It looked like about a 50-50 shot at becoming a category 1 hurricane. Could be right on the cusp of a category 2 possibly. I'm not gonna say for sure, but I just want to just put it out there for you, so that way you get prepared for what's to come. Alrighty, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and we're going to take a look at your local forecast coming up. And thank you for tuning in to the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel, and hope to continue to view these forecasts as I continue to push them out on YouTube. Alrighty, so here's your Friday forecast. We got some shower activity from portions of New Brunswick to southeast northern Maine, down in the southeast Canada, up here around Lake Huron, also into areas of Michigan, a little bit up here in northern Minnesota. More shower activity over here in portions of Washington State, southern Canada. You got some mixed precipitation there as well. Thunderstorms and shower from New Hampshire all the way to Maryland, D.C., all the way down into the Carolinas, Florida, Florida Key, Atlantic coastal water, portion of the eastern Gulf, stretching up in Alabama, Tennessee, and Kentucky. Northwestern portion of Mexico and Arizona, Colorado, Utah, and Nevada, portion of California. Got some heavy rain and flash flooding over New Mexico and Arizona. You got some mixed precipitation in the southwestern portion of Colorado. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Friday. Alright, let's see if we can get to your Saturday forecast. Alright, should be coming up here in a minute. Pull it down just a minute here. Okay, it's about to show it. You can see that stall frontal boundary here stretching in the Gulf off the southeast coast, stretching to the mid-Atlantic coast. Got another cold front stretching from Canada all the way back into Nevada. Then got another cold front stretching in portion of southwest Canada, moving into Washington State. Alrighty, we're still waiting on the precipitation map to upload here. So, alright, here we go with some shower activity over here in southwestern Canada, portion of northwestern Washington State. Thunderstorms and showers from California to Utah to New Mexico, all the way into portions of northwestern Mexico, Arizona, southern California. Got some heavy rain flash flooding over New Mexico, western Texas. Then more thunderstorms and showers for the eastern Gulf to Florida Keys to Florida to the Carolinas, all the way to New Hampshire, D.C., Maryland area, Rhode Island vicinities as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Saturday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warn advisory map for your location across the nation. And there shouldn't be too much to talk about on this here. With some flood advisories up here in New York State, some severe thunderstorm warnings, special weather statements in North Carolina, and also upstate South Carolina. Air quality alerts in northeast Texas, southeast Texas, flood watch and flash flood warnings over southeastern Arizona. Correct, that's it. And also we've got flood watches in a couple counties from Nevada and California. Red flag warnings from one county in northern California, and also in the Washington, Oregon State. Wind advisories over portions of Montana. Alright, we've got small craft advisory from Maine to the New York City area. Then again from southern California up to Oregon coast. We got a flood warrant watch in effect for northwestern Hawaii and Chain Island, southwest and southern areas of Alaska. Got some storm warnings and small craft advisory, gale warnings there also. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. Okay, you can see we got general thunderstorms over here from Richmond, Virginia to Miami to Mobile, Alabama, Birmingham, Alabama, El Paso, Texas, all the way to Las Vegas, Nevada, LA, Nevada as well. Phoenix, Arizona, Tucson, got some marginal risk there. Tornado probability looks like this. Less than 2% all areas. Damaging winds, 5%. Large hail, 5%. Now, let's move on to the tropics. We're going to show you these systems here in the tropics. Okay, here's the remnants of Gabrielle over here near the Azores. Here's Humberto, and here's Invest 94L, excuse me. Alright, shower thunderstorms or showing signs of organization and associated with the tropical wave located near Hispaniola and the Turks and Caicos Islands. An area of low pressure is expected to form along the wave tonight or early Friday when it moves near the southeast Bahamas. This low is expected to become a tropical depression when it is in the vicinity of the central and northwestern Bahamas late Friday or over the weekend, and then track northwest to northwest to northward over the southwestern tropical Atlantic. Interest in the Dominican Republic, Haiti, the Turks and Caicos Islands, the Bahamas should monitor the progress of the system. Regardless of development, heavy rains and gusty winds are likely across the region during the next couple of days. While there is a significant uncertainty in the long-range track and intensity of the system, the chances of wind, rainfall, and storm surge impact for a portion of the southeast U.S. coast are increasing. Interest in that area should monitor the progress of this system. Formation chance through 48 hours is high, 80%. Formation chance through 7 days is high, 90%. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Thursday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got.